What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. Bitcoin is finally breaking out, guys. I am just doing this TA with you right now, guys, from my car. I have no time today to sit in my office and do a video, unfortunately, even though Bitcoin right now is breaking into new all-time highs. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys. And in this video I'm gonna tell you also what kind of coin that most likely will push hard to the upside and lead into a massive altcoin rally, and that is of course Ethereum, guys, because once Bitcoin is breaking out to the upside and also Ethereum is pushing nicely, we are seeing very often then a very nice altcoin season, because the Bitcoin dominance is growing and growing because Ethereum is still going sideways and not up. If Ethereum would be going up, we would see a monster altcoin season, and that's why I think that once Ethereum is breaking out here through this last resistance that we are fighting at right now at $2,800, this will lead into the beginning of a massive altcoin season. And already now we are seeing some coins pushing nicely to the upside together with Bitcoin. So we have now finally this breakout to the upside, and there are also some new coins that I bought, guys. Probably you also bought it with me. For example, Bitcoin Bull, which is, as I told you guys, correlated to the price of Bitcoin. And right now also this coin is going to the moon, and you can see that yesterday pumped over 100%, and right now also since this morning it pumped another 88%. And this coin, I told you guys that this one, if everyone is going to buy this meme coin, then of course we could see here also a very nice Bitcoin meme coin that is good to hold during a Bitcoin bull run, because this one is supposed to burn their own tokens the higher the Bitcoin price will go, and of course also do Bitcoin airdrop. So you always have a win-win situation with this one. So congratulations to everyone that is holding this BTC bull token. No one knows how high this can go, but I gonna hold it as long as Bitcoin is of course in this bull run and in this uptrend. And you can see that right now on the daily time frame we have here a breakout to the upside. We have for the first time a daily close above the resistance of $109,500. So we should expect from now on nice continuation to the upside, guys. I hope that the sound is not too loud, guys, that you don't have too much background noise because cars are coming behind me. And I hope, guys, that you're sitting in a good long position, especially if you're trading with my indicators, because right now at least the last buy signal was very powerful and it is still ongoing. That means that we most likely gonna see more upside here. But keep in mind, guys, that whenever we have such important breakouts, very often we come down to test the previous resistance as a new support, and this one is here at $109,500 if Bitcoin would come down to test now immediately this new support before we had higher. And I think that very soon we're gonna see new all-time highs, that we're gonna retest this major resistance up here at $115,000. That is, in my opinion, very likely. And if Bitcoin would be able to break it, so if we break it above it on a weekly scale, because that resistance is on the weekly time frame, this one up here, then I think this will lead into the final run of this bull run, and which will take Bitcoin at least towards $145,000. That's the next major resistance here, based on this resistance curve, and also the next Fibonacci extension level, and probably also go to much higher levels, because I don't expect that Bitcoin will stop here at 150k. I still targeting more like the 200k area for the potential cycle top of this bull run, and this of course will take some time until we're gonna reach it. But the breakout is real, guys. The breakout is happening right now with the daily close that we had yesterday. This is basically the breakout, and now of course we will see if we come down to retest the support or if we're gonna go straight to new all-time highs. But expect some resistance at $115,000. Together with Bitcoin, of course, most of the altcoins are moving, and I think that Ethereum also now is coming to this crucial resistance here. As you can see, weeks on end we were fighting with this resistance, and now finally we are seeing another attempt and a potential even breakout to the upside, because once this resistance is broken we're gonna shoot up straight towards the next one at $3,200, and if this one is broken then the final resistance would be up here at $4,200 before eventually Ethereum will go to insane high levels, which in my opinion are still somewhere up here between $10,000 to $15,000 for this bull run. And for Ethereum, of course, we we are still not too late to buy in, and that's why I'm also very bullish for Ethereum. And once Ethereum is starting to skyrocket and probably also outperform Bitcoin, I'm expecting that the Bitcoin dominance will come down, and together with that, of course, also see a very big altcoin season. And that's why I am ready for this run with Tron, with Solana, with the ordinals, with Pepe, Dogecoin, and so on. I have also different meme coins, of course, and I'm expecting big moves in the not so distant future. So if you want to trade those coins, guys, if you want to buy them, I'm using Bybit, Binance, Maxi Global, and so on. You can sign up to those exchanges with the links in the video description, of course. Sign up to those exchanges to get some extra deposit bonuses. And also, if you want to get access to new cryptos that are upcoming that I'm also buying, like the Bitcoin Bull meme coin, we have currently a bunch of new ones like Token 6900 or Bitcoin Hyper. You're going to find all links here in the video description. And the ones that I'm very bullish at is here, Token 6900 and also Bitcoin Hyper, a potential new Bitcoin layer 2 that is upcoming together with a meme coin. If you want also to get on board there, guys, then make sure to be using the official links that you find in the video description. And keep in mind, guys, this is all no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude here on YouTube showing all my TA with you. And if you want to be following me, then of course you're going to find all links here in the video description. Be subscribed on the channel, guys, because I keep you updated every day what is going on here in the crypto space, and also, of course, what now is ongoing with the altcoins, because I think that the altcoin season is about to start. That's why don't let us waste too much time. Let's trade these next big upcoming moves, guys. And I think that once Bitcoin here is pushing above this last resistance on the weekly at 115k, we're gonna see really crazy times in front of us. And that's why I'm buying also into new low market cap coins like Token 6900, Bitcoin Hyper. BTC Bull is already out now, guys. So here, if you want to trade it, yes or no, doesn't matter, but I am in the coins. I didn't take any profits on Bitcoin Bull. I'm holding them as long as I'm bullish for Bitcoin, because I believe that this coin has the potential to be a good meme coin to keep whenever Bitcoin is in a bull run, because they're gonna burn their own tokens more and more the higher the Bitcoin price will go, and this is what I like very much. But if you missed out on Bitcoin Bull, then of course Bitcoin Hyper and Token 6900 will be the next one. This should be the next after SPX 6900. So check it out, guys. Links in the video description. And of course, if you're sitting here in a nice long position, maybe put a nice stop loss here, because I think very soon we are most likely coming down to retest the support, and then of course this will end up in another good long opportunity, in my opinion. But time will tell. We will see. At the moment, all indicators are shifted to the upside. We should expect higher prices, but of course a pullback or a retest is anytime possible here for Bitcoin, and therefore I think a very exciting time is in front of us. So be part of our crypto family, guys. Be subscribed to wherever I am. Currently I'm sitting in my car, and yeah, I am going back home later on. Maybe I'm gonna do another update video later on, but I just wanted to update you guys because crazy times ahead. I'm sure in many exchanges we have new all-time highs right now, but I'm watching here the index. So I'm always watching here the index. That's the average of many exchanges, and here of course we just touched the all-time high. So here we didn't create now new all-time highs, but I'm sure in some exchanges we have already new all-time highs. All right, guys, that's it for now. Stay tuned, be subscribed. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.